Alright, so we are going to learn how to make use of styles. So, styles simply mean we can put some kind of heading style or title and stuffs in our document. So, let me create a page for my title. I can just come here, page break. Can have a blank page, so with my blank page here I can put a title, so I can call this probably favorite songs. Okay, so favorite songs. The best I wish to have. Just any stuff there, right? So I can give this a title, go back to home, and because it's a title, I can call it title. Trying to make it to the capital letter, and this is my subtitle, so I can call it subtitle. So if I want to make it bigger, all that. Now, the idea of styles and heading is that they are semantic in nature. Semantic meaning that anybody can make use of it, even the blind people. If a blind person is to go through these documents, is going to actually understand that this is a title and this is a subtitle, because they make use of screen readers. Right? So, if I'm kind of saying that something is a heading, I should be able to put it in a heading. If I'm saying this is a title, I should be able to put it in a title so that the person will know this is a subtitle. You should be able to know that this is a title and this is a heading. Alright, to help us to see this very well, I have to go to View and on my navigation pane. So go to View, tab, and activate my navigation pane. So my navigation pane is here, and my navigation pane will be seeing my headings only, but I don't have any headings for now. So I scroll down here, we show I have headings here. So let me say this is a heading, and I have to make it to be a heading. So I go to home, heading 1. So I give heading 2 to anything that is a subheading. And of course, immediately I do that, I look at my navigation pane, I can see that nursery rhymes has appeared there as heading 1. It's a heading. I click Twinkle. Twinkle is a heading 2 because it is a subheading in heading 1. So any subheading in a heading will take the lower distance, so the lower heading. So I'm going to give it heading 2 because it's a subheading of heading 1. And if I have any subheading in heading 2, it will be heading 3. So rainbow is another subheading of heading 1. So I'm going to call it heading 2 and not heading 1 or heading 3. So of course you can see here too that it also shows you that this is under this. Of course you can minimize and see that. I have blackbird is heading 2 too, because it's a subheading there. One thing you should know about giving subheadings is that it must apply to a paragraph. If I go and give heading to something that is part of a paragraph, it's not going to work. It's never going to work. Like I can't come here and put this as a heading. It doesn't work. Even though it shows here that it's appeared, but I'm not going to see it on my heading that is a heading. So it doesn't work. It must be a paragraph. If I had put enter here and now this is a paragraph, okay? So if I give it a heading, it's going to appear because it's a paragraph. So we try to make sure that all our headings are on a paragraph on their own. So I get to items, add anthem, sorry. is a heading on its own, so it's a heading 1 because it's not a heading that is under nursery rhymes. So Nigerian anthem will now be heading 2 because it's a subheading of heading 1. And then Nigerian pledge will also be heading 2 since it too is also a subheading of heading 1. One good thing with this is that now that I have my navigation pane here and with my heading, I can actually move, can take myself, click on nursery rhymes, and I will take myself to nursery rhyme. Click on twinkle, it will take me there. Click on anthem, it will take me down to anthem. Click on rainbow, it will move me to rainbow and blackbirds and all that. So I can use that on my head. So it's a very good advantage that headings do for us. They don't only help us to navigate within our pages, they also help us to create a table of contents. Okay, table of contents only includes our headings. Not every heading, heading 1 and heading 2. Okay. So let's say I want to create table of contents. What should I do? I click here. Let me create a blank page here. To put a blank page here, I can page break this. Okay, click here, go to insert, and I click on page break. So whenever I click on page break, that means every other thing should move down from there. So I now have a blank page here, and this is my blank page. I want my table of contents to appear on this very blank page. So how am I going to do that? I go to reference section and I see table of contents. So I can simply use any of the automatic table of contents that are available. I have first automatic table of contents within contents, another one within table of contents. Okay, so the automatic, okay, unlike the manual one. So don't want to do manual because we already have our headings. Alright, so it says automatic table of contents, labeled contents that includes all text formatted with heading 1 to 3 styles. So if I put heading 4, it doesn't enter, so only heading 1 to heading 3. So whichever one. This one is titled table of contents. I prefer using it. This one is just titled content. So if I click on this, it will simply do the table of contents for me. So I don't even need to bother myself doing table of contents. Because I built my headings, I will simply have my table of contents built for me. So what happens if I change the page? Let's say I put this on a different page. I click on there and I come here, I say page break. So when I page break, I can actually jump to another page. So this rainbow is now on page 4, and probably I page break blackbirds. Is now on page 5. I page break again anthem. I want my chapter to be on a separate page. So you see, my table of contents supposed to have all that, because I now have 6 pages and my pages are not actually there. So what will I do to effect the changes here? I'm going to click here and I say update table. So I say update page numbers, because page number is just the only thing that I did. I thought, so I can simply say update the page numbers. So immediately I did that, you notice my page numbers has been updated. So what will make me to update the entire table? Assuming I added something new. Okay, let's say here I added another nursery rhyme and I call it Jumbo. Okay, so I can simply call it that, blah 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 blah. Let's say that is the text, and then I have Jumbo as a heading. So I go to home and I'll give it heading 2. Alright, so it has now appeared here, but when I get back to my table of contents, it doesn't appear. I need to do what now? Update my entire table. If I say update just page number, no, update the entire table, that will actually bring in Jumbo here. So it makes it very, very easy for us to create a table of contents in our document. It's very easy and very, very effective. So another thing I can also do here is I can promote, I can demote. I can decide to promote this, promote it. So when I promote, it means from heading 2 is going to be heading 1. So when I promote it, it has actually changed it to heading 1. Okay? Or I can demote it to heading 2. So in case you make a mistake giving something that is heading 1 or heading 2, you can always fall back to that. So okay, that's it. In our next class, we are going to look at editing, how to find, replace, and select files.